right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a microfiber brush. I got this set because when I wash cars now, I want to use a microfiber brush instead of using the regular brush that we usually use. Okay, so I want to switch it up. This is how I want to clean my car now. And here we go. So they give you the brush right here. And they don't just give you one, they actually give you 2 brushes. So you have one here and then you have one here. People may use these for, dusting as well, but me, I'm going to use it for car washing. And here it says car wash mop. So I'm going to use it for car washing. We did not get instructions, so we will try to figure this out on our own. Now, if you used to handles, you know that this is a release extension. Now, I believe they said this goes to 50 something inches. I can't really remember. I know it was 2 of them identical and I wanted the one that reached out the longest. And this was the one. So we're going to put that right here. And this is cool because it has like an arch. When you're on top of your roof on your car, it should be easier to clean. All right. And then we have this push connect right there. Okay. Push it in. Push in and lock. So you can twist, lock it, and then that's locked right there. Or you can unlock it, and then you can have it moving freely if you want it to move freely like that, okay? However you want to do it, it's all up on you. But this is it. I'm going to show y'all the results when I'm done. All right, you guys, so here goes the brush. It goes right into the bucket, fit nice and good. Feel comfortable? All right. I didn't put a lot of soap in it, you guys, because I'm running out of soap anyway. You see the arch on the pole? Fits in there nice and good. All right, you guys. So if you have a car that you want to, not scratch up the paint or anything with the bristles of the brush, then the microfiber mop is the best. Nice and easy, right? Better than the other brush? Yeah. See, he can get all the way. He could stand on one side and get the whole car, you guys, just on one side alone. So definitely get the longer extension. And that will be it.